Hello children, today we are going to learn exercise number 3H in that 8th one, okay? Word problem it is. We'll read the word problem first. On Friday, Saturday and Sunday, in 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, in that 1356, 2518 and 3186 people attend magic show. Now what is this? There was one magic show program, okay? There was one magic show program. In that Friday 1356 people attended the magic show. Now Saturday 2518 people attend the magic show. Sunday, 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 3186 people attended the magic show. Okay. Estimate the total number of people who attend the show on 3 days. First, what you have to do? You have to estimate the sum. Okay. Estimate the number and you have to remove how many days they attended the magic show. Round off to the nearest 100. These numbers you have to do the nearest 100. Rounded value you have to remove the nearest 100. Find its difference. Now you have to find the difference. Then difference means what, children? It is a subtraction. Okay, this word is new for you people. Now difference means it is a subtraction with the actual number of people who attended show. Then first you have to remove the actual sums. Actual sum means what? This you have to add directly. Okay, and then you have to remove the estimated sum. Then you have to do the difference. Difference you have to remove. Okay, let us solve now. People attended a magic show. Actual sum. Actual sum means what they gave, that only we have to write and we have to do the addition. Now Friday, how many people attended the magic show? 1356 people attended the magic show. Now Saturday 2518 people attended the magic show. Now Sunday 3186 people attended the magic show. Now we have to see the addition. This is known as the actual sum. ACTUAL sum. Actual it is. Okay. Now we have to do the addition. 6 plus 8. 14 plus 6 20. Okay, now here 0 will come, 2 for the carry, 5 6 7, 7 plus 5 12, 13, 3 here, 1 is carry for here. 1 plus 1 2, 3 4 5 6 7. Carry will go here. This one carry will go here, children. 3 4, 4 plus 5 9 10. Here 0, 1 will go carry here. 1 plus 1 2, 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we'll do the addition once again. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 6 20, 0 here, 2 will go for it, carry here. 5 6 7 8, 8 plus 8 16, 6 here, 1 will go carry here. 3 plus 1 4, 5 6 7 8 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 here, 1 will go carry here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the answer, actual sum answer will come 7060. Okay, now we have to remove the estimate, round off to nearest 100. Now we have to remove the rounded value, estimated value. Now listen here, whenever you are doing the rounded of the 100, then you have to see the tens value. Okay, tens place value. Now first 1000 place, it will come same only. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to see the estimation of nearest 100. Okay, whenever you are doing the estimation near at 100, you have to see first tens place. If tens place 5, otherwise more than 5 it is there, means your number will come 4. 400. Now here tens place 1 is there, less than 5, then 100 place same number it will come, 500. Now here 8 is there. Now here more than 5, then tens place, the number tens place 8 is there, it is a more than 5, then 100 place we have to addition do 1, it will come 2, 200. Now we have to do the calculation, addition, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here 1 will come, it will go carry here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is a estimated sum came 7100 and actual sum came 7060. Now this 7060, whenever you are doing the estimation nearest 100, will get the answer 7100. Okay, now they told find the difference. Okay, you have to find the difference between actual sum and estimated sum. Now this is a estimated sum, then actual sum is a 7060 and estimated sum is a 7100. Then 7100 it is a big, then you have to first do estimated sum minus actual sum. Okay, we have to do that. Now we have to see the estimated sum. It is a answer is a 7100 and actual sum, the answer is a 7060 and this is the estimated sum, answer is a 7100. Then we have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0 will come. 0 minus 6 we can't do. Okay, then we have to cut this. We have to write here 0. Write here 10. 10 minus 6, 4 will come. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Difference will come 40. Okay, I hope you understood. Little bit difficult, but try to understand, children. Write by the steps by step. Now 9th one, the classes of first, second standard and third standard of a school have, first standard have 2348 students, second standard have 3183 students and third standard has 2891 students respectively in a particular classes. Estimate the total number of a student of 3 classes by rounding off to the nearest 100. Now you have to estimate this in a 2 classes rounded off nearest 100. Same way you have to do, children. Here you should not remove the actual sum. and they not asked any difference here. Okay, then you have to remove only estimated nearest 100 and you have to find the answer. School has student class first 2348, class second 3183, class third 2891. Now you have to estimate to the nearest 100 it is. Okay, now whenever you are doing the estimation nearest 100, you have to see the first tens value. Okay, if tens value more than 5 it is there, means you have to write the next number of the 100 digits. If it is a less than 5 means you have to keep the 100 digit as a same. Now you can see here, first one 4, here 4, then less than 5 it is, then you have to keep the, it will come near the 300. Okay, it will come near to the 300. Now next one 8 is there, then here 200 will come, 3200. Now next one here 9 is there, then it is also more than 5 it is, then it will come here 9, 2900. You have to do the estimation, addition. 0, 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now total number of students, it is the estimate nearest 100, it will come 8500 students total are there in the class 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Okay, I hope you understood children. You have to write this. Okay.